In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PNC Bank account. Whether you're a first-time bank account holder or looking to make the switch to PNC, this instructional guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as clear and simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to head over to the PNC Bank website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.penc.com. Once you've arrived at the PNC homepage, you'll want to focus your attention on finding the section labeled Checking and Savings. Or, if you're looking to open a different type of account, select the relevant section that fits your needs. Clicking on this will open up a variety of account options for you to explore. Take some time to browse through the different account types PNC offers to find the best fit for you. After you've made your decision, look for the Open Now button, which you'll click to start the application process. This will take you to a form where you'll provide your personal information. It's important to have critical details ready, such as your full name, address, and date of birth. Make sure you have your social security number on hand too, as well as your email address and phone number. This information is necessary to verify your identity and set up your account securely. After filling out your personal details, you'll be asked how you prefer to fund your new account. PNC provides a few options here. You can choose to transfer funds from another bank, use a debit card, or decide to deposit funds later. Selecting the method that suits you best will help tailor your banking experience to fit your financial habits and needs. Next on the agenda is setting up your online banking credentials. You'll need to create a username and a strong password that you'll use to log into your account online. It's a good practice to choose a password that is both memorable and secure, incorporating a mix of characters and numbers. Once you're satisfied with your username and password, take a moment to review everything carefully. This is an important step since you'll need to agree to PNC's terms and conditions. Be sure to read these over to fully understand your responsibilities as an account holder and what PNC provides in return. Finally, the last step is to submit your application. After clicking the Submit button, your application will be reviewed by PNC. If everything checks out, you'll receive further instructions, typically via email, on how to finalize your setup and start enjoying your new account's features. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the online setup for your new PNC Bank account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made the process a bit easier for you. Thank you for watching and happy banking!